The software is downloaded. It has only 6 currency pairs. Okay, we will press the signal button when the remaining time is between 30 to 20 seconds. My recommendation is that you should take trade on strong buy or strong sell signal. For the educational purpose, I will take trade on just sell signal, as you can see. But my recommendation is that you should wait for the strong sell and strong buy signal. Never take trade after every minute. Wait for at least 5 minutes before you take trade on the same currency pair. So we have won our first trade. Let's take another currency pair. I will enter a percentage in this box and click the next signal. You see, we have a neutral signal. We will not take trade on the neutral signal. Let's open another currency pair. I will wait for the time to go between 30 seconds to 20 seconds, because your next candle will start in 30 seconds. So I'm clicking the next signal. You can see we have buy signal. But my recommendation is that you should take on strong buy signal. Please subscribe to my channel. If you want to download this software, I will explain you how you can download the software in the next section of my video. I would recommend you that you should use it in combination with your own strategy to get confirmation of the signals.